In the ever-evolving world of energy solutions, companies are constantly under the microscope, with every move being analyzed for its potential impact on stock prices. Today, we're diving deep into a recent development concerning FuelCell Energy Incorporated, a company that's been making waves in the stationary fuel cell energy platform sector. If you're an investor or just curious about the future of energy, you won't want to miss this. Alright, let's take a look at the news. FuelCell Energy Incorporated, a notable player in the NASDAQ with the ticker FCEL, has been under the watchful eyes of investment analysts at KeyCorp. In a research note issued recently, KeyCorp analyst Jain projected the energy company's earnings per share for Q3 2024 to be around 7 cents. This is particularly interesting when you consider that the consensus estimate for FuelCell Energy's current full-year earnings stands at 30 cents per share. But that's not all. Several other equities research analysts have weighed in on the stock. For instance, Craig-Hallum adjusted their price objective for FuelCell Energy, while Wells Fargo & Company and Canaccord Genuity Group made their own revisions. The consensus among these analysts seems to be a cautious optimism, with a current average rating of hold and a consensus price target of $2.48. Now, what does this all mean for the stock's value? Shares of FCEL recently opened at $1.28, and the company boasts a market cap of $520.65 million. With a P/E ratio of -3.88 and a beta of 3.69, the stock's performance is something to keep an eye on. The company's financial health is also noteworthy, with a quick ratio of 5.83 and a debt-to-equity ratio of just 0.12. FuelCell Energy's recent quarterly earnings data release further adds to the narrative. The company reported earnings per share of 6 cents for the quarter, surpassing the consensus estimate. Their revenue for the quarter stood at $25.50 million, which, although below the consensus estimate, still presents a compelling case for the company's potential growth. The institutional interest in FCEL is undeniable. Several institutional investors have been active in buying and selling shares of the company, indicating a strong belief in its future prospects. With 47.9% of the stock currently owned by institutional investors and hedge funds, the company's trajectory is bound to be influenced by these major players. In essence, FuelCell Energy Incorporated is at a pivotal point. Their commitment to manufacturing and selling stationary fuel cell energy platforms that not only decarbonize power but also produce hydrogen is commendable. Their range of products, from the SureSource 1500 to the SureSource Hydrogen, showcases their dedication to innovation and sustainability. That wraps up our deep dive into FuelCell Energy Incorporated and its potential impact on the stock market. If you found this analysis insightful, do us a favor and hit that like button. It helps spread the word and get this video in front of more eyes. And if you haven't already, subscribe and drop a comment below saying you did. We'll be sure to respond. Also, what are your thoughts on FuelCell Energy's future? Share your insights in the comments. And don't forget to check out our daily EV stocks pre-market report, where we provide target numbers for over 20 EV-related stocks every day. Until next time, keep those investments savvy and stay informed.